Hi, my name is Signa. Thank you so much for joining me. Our beautiful mantra today, Jai Ma, Jai Ma. Kali Durgay Namah Devi. Kali Durgay Namah Devi. This is a mantra to invoke and empower the divine feminine force inside of us, inside of all of us. We see this feminine force in the universe, in the world around us, in Mother Nature. We hear about it in the scriptures, as well as the divine masculine force. So inside of all of us, we have both. And inside of creation around us, we see both. And this mantra is, and this meditation, is for reclaiming the divine feminine part of ourselves, empowering this part, and remembering the wisdom, the strength, and the healing in the divine feminine force. So let us begin with 3 ohms, opening our voices, reaching into and finding that authentic voice where the throat feels very relaxed and comfortable and we're not forcing anything. When we are singing mantra, it can be very helpful to know that most of the time you're going to breathe through your mouth. And in my vocal practices, I've learned to think of it almost as a belly plop. That sounds funny, but when you inhale, you're going to do that through the mouth and see if you can feel your belly expand. And it's like you catch that breath kind of quickly whenever you feel the need for it. One thing that people will do when they're singing mantras, they'll try to sing to the very, very end of their breath. And I want to encourage you not to do that, to let yourself end before you're out of breath and catch that next breath. And that will just create a more harmonious benefit and impact on your nervous system. All right, let's dive in. If you like, you can bring your hands to the heart in prayer or one hand over the other. As we sing together, you can let your hands rest down onto the knees or into any mudra of your choice, sitting mindfully and consciously. Closing the eyes as you're ready and gazing into third eye. Taking a nice deep breath, filling yourself and holding that breath for a natural moment. And again, let's do a couple more of those. Holding that breath like a precious gift. And as you sit, eyes closed, feeling into the divine feminine parts of yourself, claiming and nurturing these parts of you. Again, a deep breath in, aligning from within, aligning to the divine. Every cell in your body nourished by your own presence with yourself. Allowing the breath to flow in and out, deep, long breaths. Feeling the earth beneath you, feel yourself grounding and rooting into her like an ancient tree. You feel her wrapped around your roots. You feel her nourishing you and supporting you. And from this foundation, feel yourself rising up through the pelvis, through the belly, through the heart, through the throat, through the crown chakra, filling yourself with expansion, with light, with beauty, with compassion. with your next exhale, as you release, gently release the hands and use your own hands to bless yourself. Blessing yourself by gently caressing or gently touching. There's no wrong way to do this. Just let yourself feel your own divine way to bless yourself, to bless your body, to bless your heart, to bless your soul. And when you feel complete, bringing the hands together humbly in prayer position, bowing to the divinity that is greater than us, that blesses us, that calls to us, that beckons to us, that always wants to merge with us, this benevolent divine force. Taking a deep breath and welcoming that divinity. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.